The mystery behind cowbell. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into the phrase cowbell. You might have heard it in different contexts. And if you've ever wondered about its origins and meaning, you're in the right place. A cowbell is, quite simply, a bell that is attached to a cow's neck. The primary purpose of this bell is to help locate the cow, especially if it wanders off. When the cow moves, the bell makes a ringing sound, making it easier for the farmer to track the animal. Over time, the cowbell has taken on cultural significance in various parts of the world. It's not just an instrument to locate cows but has become associated with traditional music, festivals, and even modern pop culture. In music, especially in certain folk traditions, the cowbell is used as a percussion instrument. Its distinct sound adds a unique flavor to the music. "More cowbell" is a popular phrase that originated from a comedy sketch on the show Saturday Night Live. In the sketch, a music producer keeps insisting on adding more cowbell sound to a song, leading to hilarious results. This phrase has since been used in popular culture to indicate adding more of a good thing. The phrase cowbell, especially after the popular Saturday Night Live sketch, can sometimes be used metaphorically. When someone says they want more cowbell in a non-musical context, they might mean they want more of a particular element that they believe will improve a situation. For example, if someone says, "This party needs more cowbell," they could mean the party needs more excitement or a specific element to make it livelier. From being a simple tool for farmers to becoming a cultural icon and even a metaphorical expression, the term cowbell has quite a journey. We hope this video shed light on this unique phrase and its various meanings. Remember, language is ever evolving, and phrases like cowbell are a testament to that. Stay curious, and until next time, happy learning.